Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this fun kind of chalkboard-like New Year's Eve manicure that I am wearing today. First up, you're going to start with a black base. This does not have to be matte. We're just going to cover the matte with a matte top coat later. Then you're going to need some acrylic paint or nail polish. I used gold and white for all of the detailing. And then along with this, of course, I used nail art brushes. So first up, you want to start with your black base. Here, I just picked a one coater black so I could do one coat and move along and be done, and then the art would be done faster. I used a Salon Perfect Black, actually, that has become one of my favorites recently, and it is called Oil Slick. So after my black is dry, it is time to grab my golden acrylic paint, and I'm going to start painting on balloons. So it's kind of like a raindrop or a teardrop shape, but with the tip going down, as you can see here, and then we're kind of putting where the balloon is tied off there at the bottom. You don't have to make that super precise, and you kind of want to vary it, because if you were tying a balloon, it would be a little different on each one. And of course, you want to have more space up towards the top of the balloon, if that makes any sense, and that's why it gets narrower towards the bottom. So per nail, I try to put about 2 to 3 balloons, usually about 2 per nail. And then while the balloons dry before we move on to its detailing, I'm going to grab the white paint and I'm going to apply some stars. So same goes for the stars, where I put about 1 to 2 stars per nail. You don't have to do that. You basically just want to do whatever you feel comfortable with. And you're kind of just going to gauge this on how much space you have on your nail. If your balloons are a little bit larger, maybe you only want 1 star. It's really up to your personal preference. And after that is done, I'm going to take, while I still have the white out, I'm going to outline the balloons with white. Now, before I do this, you want to make sure you have a very, very, very small amount of white paint on your brush, because you don't want to get a super bold line. You kind of want it to look like you did it with chalk. So that is what I'm doing here. And I also put like a little white line in the balloon to kind of give it a shine spot. Again, you don't have to do that. I feel like that really just takes the balloon to the next level, and I know you guys can't really see that on camera because of the way my light is hitting my nail, but now actually you can see it on the top balloon, where I kind of put just like a little line to give the balloon a more shiny effect. And there, I just did it on that one. And then of course you want to put the string coming down from the balloon as well. So while we are letting everything dry, I thought it'd be fun to fill in some of the negative space. So as you can see, I put some white dot clusters. I put about 2 to 3 clusters per nail, because I'm also going to do this with gold. But now I'm moving on to the gold outline of the stars, actually. And this, you don't have to be perfect. You kind of want it to look kind of sketchbook-like. So just, you know, here and there, you want to be able to tell that the gold is there, but you don't want it to look super perfect, because we are going for like a chalkboard art type feel. And art with chalk is kind of tricky. So after that, I'm taking in that same gold, and I'm just going to put various sized dots around the stars to kind of make them like they're radiating from the star. And I thought it was fun to mix up the size of the dots, just because it kind of just gave it an extra fun look. Then after that is all done and dry, you want to apply a matte top coat. Here for video purposes, I used a shiny, but you are going to see it covered at the end with a matte top coat, because I feel like that is what really makes it look like a chalkboard art like manicure. And then if you want, you can go ahead and throw in, you can write 2019. But yeah, that is it for this manicure. I think it was super fun. I really enjoyed wearing it. It's super fun and festive. Also, I do have some past New Year's Eve looks. If you want to check them out, I will have them linked on a blog post today, which will be linked in the description box below, because I hope to have a big blog post up. This year, New Year's kind of snuck up, and I didn't have as many manicures done as I had hoped, but hopefully you guys have enjoyed this one. So I will stop rambling now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see what is coming in the new year for nails. I already know the next few weeks have a lot of exciting things coming. So I will see you guys back here very soon, within the next 24 hours. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye!